牛照牡丹，唔識欣賞。牛照牡丹，唔識欣賞。
It is another Chinese riddle phrase. The first part of the phrase literally means ox cruise peony. Oxen normally eat grass, but if they eat other plants, for them the taste may be the same. Peony is used for appreciation, not for eating. For that reason, we have the second part of the phrase. It is don't know how to appreciate. We use this phrase to comment someone don't know how to appreciate, especially food. For example,
咪食得咁快啦，牛照牡丹咁好食嘅嘢，慢慢食啊嘛。咪食得咁快啦，牛照牡丹咁好食嘅嘢，慢慢食啊嘛。
In English, it means don't eat so fast like an ox crewing peony. Such delicious food, we have to nibble it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.